Good day all. I want to use this opportunity to appreciate my audience who has been taking out time to listen to my presentations all this while. Now here comes another opportunity. I want to show us on how we can register people in our page or into MMM without the assistance or help of anyone. Now here is a Google interface. This is Google. You type on Google on your system and it brings you this interface. What you will do is you just go to nigeriammm.net /the registration nigeriammm /mmm.net. I send it. Now it's putting, takes me to this page. On registration, I click. Once you click on registration, it brings out this. Now under it will have the name, the email, the mobile phone number, the password and confirm password, invite, how do you learn about us, and the picture code, then register in MMM. So what I'm gonna do quickly is to get the person's nickname, which is Anayo. I put it in immediately. Then the email of Anayo, I'm gonna put it now on paying the limited at yahoo.com. Once you click it in, confirm that it's correct because you can make amends once it goes in. Now, ANMPAINDLTD. Good. The phone number of the person, I'm going to put it in this way. 0097003. That is it. I confirm if it's correct before we continue. Then the password, which is for my own personal consumption. Okay. I put it in. Then it will say confirm password. So I'm going to type it again. So that you will not have any reason. If you look at it, will change password match once it's the same with the previous one. Then invite, who brought in the person into the system. Now I'm going to use this. The next thing is the picture code. I'm typing it as seen. You just cue it in this way. I saw B6E1. I gonna say yes. I confirm. Having read the warning, I am fully aware of the risk and so on. Then I register into the system. Good. Now you will see this interface will prop in. Success. Welcome to MMM. You can read all this so that you understand what is to happen. Now they say good luck. Now what it means is that you are welcome into the Billionaires Club. As you are in MMM, you are already there. Changing lives. It's actually changing lives. Lives of so many has been transformed. So many people who couldn't build a home, a house of their own, can now have one. Now I'm gonna put back that password, that email address which I used in registering the person into the system. This is it. I'm trying to put it in. Now you can copy and paste from somewhere, doesn't matter. Now I'm putting in the password automatically. I'm putting in the password. Now when I put it in, I click on login. It gives me this. If you look at this, it's trying to tell me should I want to save or shouldn't I want to save. If I want to save, I click on save. If I don't want, I say never. So it depends on you. If you are using someone's laptop or someone's phone, please don't make the mistake of saving. If you save, there's a problem. Okay, so I'm going to put in the captcha code. Okay, which is like this. Once I put it in, it's always 7. Please, you zoom it and be sure you are right. It's always 7. So you should know. Now it brings out back this. I click on login. Once I click on login, it's taking me to the page. If my password and email is correct. If it's not correct, it takes me back. So let's wait and see what happens. While waiting, we'll be getting our accounts ready to continue. Now, this is the interface of someone you just registered. Nothing is happening. The provide help is empty. In the get help is empty. Now, I quickly go on my page so that I'll complete the setup. Now, when you go to the page, it gives you something like this. Now, it's saying unconfirmed. Now, for you to confirm who you just registered, if you're actually the one that invited the person, because sometimes it can lead you to your guide or anybody. Now, what you're going to do immediately, you get it is, you go to this, you confirm participants. Now, you click on confirm. It brings you this, you confirm it. Now, the normal way is supposed to send a code to you, to your email, for you to send right here and save. But because of time, I'm not going to do it. But that is the right way, which we will, once the system is upgraded correctly, you're going to do it. Okay, now this again. I do the same process. And that is it. And I save. That means I've done everything correctly. So I'm going to save it. Once you click on save, it's automatically working. If you look at the cursor, you notice it's doing something. But while waiting, this is, you can take your time. You can fill in this. Anna Ayo is my first name. Now you put on last name. You click it in. You put on your country, your region, your city, the date of birth. You can key in all this. Your Skype ID. Like me, I placed all, so that I can have everything in the system. It's just for your own personal consumption. Now I go to my referrer. Now in my referrer, I see who referred me into the system. Now from this is omission top. Now the referrer is the person that brought you in, and there are advantages accrued to it. So you try and get yours so that you can enjoy it too. Now quickly, what I'll do is to go to the account sector. Well, once I go to the account sector, I click on it, and it gives me those ads. So I'm going to click on add, because I'm not going to edit anything. There is nothing for me to edit. But if you want to edit, you can click on edit session and edit whatever you want. The details, for instance, I'm using my name is Favor. I put it in the bank. It's already giving you the account type is bank. We have the Bitcoin as well, which is an encrypted currency, but we're not going to use it. We want to use our local bank. Now the bank name is let's assume Eco Bank. I put it in. Okay. Make sure you type everything correctly. Maybe my beneficiary name is the name you use in opening your account number's name. You put in Theophilus, I believe Theophilus Yahoo. Okay. Now you go to account number. I type in my account number as it's supposed to be. Okay. Now my branch name is optional, sort code is optional. Next thing I do is to click on save. Okay. Now once I click on save, it saves the information into my system. I believe this piece of information will be a guide to you to register yourself without having any issue. So the next thing I do is go back to my dashboard and continue. Thank you.